Hey everyone, welcome back to our podcast. Today we've got a super interesting topic: how to make your brain think in English.
Yeah, this one is close to my heart. I've been learning English for years, but I still catch myself thinking in Urdu first, then translating into English. It makes me slow.
That's super common. Many learners struggle with that. So today, let's break down some simple strategies to actually train your brain to think directly in English.
Okay, but first, why do we even translate?
Good question. It's because our brain is wired to use the mother tongue as the default. When you learn a new language, you're like, oh, this English word equals that Urdu word. That's translation mode.
And that slows down speaking, right?
Exactly. Imagine you're in a conversation, you're translating back and forth in your head. By the time you answer, the other person might already be on to the next topic.
That's so true.
So, the first step is building habits. For example, try narrating your day in English.
Like when I'm making tea, I can say in my mind, I'm boiling water, I'm adding sugar, I'm pouring milk.
Yes, it feels silly at first, but it forces your brain to connect actions directly to English words.
That makes sense. I think I could start small, maybe with 5 minutes daily.
Perfect. Over time, your brain starts skipping the Urdu step.
What about people who don't live in English-speaking countries?
Good point. You can still create an English environment. For example, change your phone and laptop to English. Label things in your house, like mirror, door, window. Watch shows with subtitles in English.
Oh, like Netflix with English subtitles?
Exactly. Listen and read at the same time. Your brain gets double input.
Okay, give me a practical exercise.
All right, picture talk. Take any object around you and describe it in English for 1 minute.
Like this pen in front of me?
Yes, say things like, this is a blue pen. It's made of plastic. I use it to write notes. Simple sentences are fine.
That's easy but powerful.
Another one is silent conversations. Pretend you're talking to someone in English in your head. Like if you meet your boss tomorrow, think like, how will I greet him? What will I say?
But sometimes I feel nervous, like what if I make grammar mistakes?
Don't worry about perfect grammar at first. Thinking in English is about speed, not perfection. Even native speakers make small mistakes. The goal is fluency first, accuracy later.
That's a relief.
Want some fun methods?
Yes, please.
Okay. 1. English diary. Write 3 sentences daily in English. Simple. Today was sunny. I ate biryani. I called my friend.
2. Mind games. Play word games like crosswords, Scrabble, or apps like Duolingo.
3. Shadowing. Listen to a native speaker and repeat after them immediately. It trains your brain to copy their rhythm.
Oh, I've heard about shadowing. It's like being a parrot.
Exactly, but a smart parrot.
Do you know anyone who trained their brains successfully?
Yes, one of my cousins. She started thinking in English by journaling and watching YouTube every day. Within 6 months, her fluency improved a lot.
Wow, so it's really about consistency and not talent.
Absolutely. Language is a skill, not a gift. The more you practice, the better you get.
So to sum up, narrate your day, change your environment, practice short exercises, don't fear mistakes, and stay consistent.
Exactly. And remember, thinking in English is like training a muscle. At first, it's hard, but with practice, it becomes natural.
That's inspiring. Thanks, Sarah.
Anytime. And to our listeners, start today. Even one sentence in English is progress.
Great advice. All right, friends, that's it for today's podcast. Thanks for joining us.
And before you go, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit the subscribe button so you never miss our future episodes.
And we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us how you practice thinking in English. Your ideas might help someone else.
Exactly. So drop your tips below and let's learn together as a community.
Okay then, bye for now, and keep growing.
Take care, everyone. See you next time.